Hi everyone, welcome to another episode with Chazs Lifestyle. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make these creamy and delicious loaded baked potatoes. Stay tuned. I went ahead and preheated my oven on 425. I'm going to go ahead and bake these potatoes, but first things first, I will be rubbing oil on them. I also will be poking the potatoes with a fork to put holes in the potatoes and then adding some salt and pepper. Like I said, I will be baking these potatoes on 425 for about 1 hour or until they're fork tender. Now, when baking baked potatoes, the key is to make sure they're really seasoned well and oiled really well, and also poking the potatoes with a fork just to ensure that it cooks inside. So once my potatoes have about 15 minutes left, I'm going to go ahead and air fry my bacon. This is the easiest way for me. It's less cleanup. They come out crispy and they only take 10 minutes to air fry in the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my slices of bacon down in the air fryer. Make sure I leave a little bit of space to create that crispiness. And 10 minutes, we're going to come back and take them out. Now, with loaded baked potatoes, you can use so many different, you can use a variety of ingredients. You can use seafood, chicken, pork, beef, anything that you desire. So now when my baked potatoes are done, I'm just going to go ahead and slice the top portion of the baked potatoes off so we can create that boat inside. Okay, so next I'm going to take all of that nice fresh potato and I'm going to take it out of the potato and place it in the bowl. We're going to create kind of like a mashed potato, but I want it pretty chunky. I don't want it super creamy like actual mashed potatoes, just slightly creamy. So I'm going to take out all of that potato just like so, and we're going to move on to the next one and do the same, repeat those steps. So once I have all of my potatoes in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and add a couple more ingredients just to create that creamy but chunky potato. So I have just a slight bit of heavy cream, and then I'm also going to add some butter, cheese, and some seasonings. So the key for this is the cheese. You want it to be cheesy and delicious. Now, I am using freshly shredded cheese just to ensure it melts correctly. There you see I add a little bit of that minced garlic. Now, I'm just going to mash it up slightly. Like I said, I want my mashed potatoes to be pretty mashed but chunky at the same time. So we're not going to mash it up too much. So I'm just going to give that a quick little mash. Now I'm adding in a little bit of seasoning. I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in making this recipe. If you like this video so far, go ahead and give me a like, comment any other recipes you like to see, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come join the lifestyle because this is fun over here. We are creating food and we're having a good time. So as you can see, my bacon is crispy, it's juicy, it's perfect. So I went ahead and chopped up that bacon. Now I'm adding in the potatoes back into those baked potato boats, okay? That's what I call them, baked potato boats. So I'm adding in that into that. Look how delicious that looks. It's just filled with flavor creaminess, a little bit of chunkiness. You have the rich flavor from the butter. So I'm going to load it on top. Just keep loading it on there. Like I said, you can make so many different things with baked potatoes. I'm going to sprinkle my freshly shredded cheese on there. Like I said, all of my ingredients are listed down below in the description box if you're interested in making this recipe. Quick and easy recipe. Is perfect for lunchtime. It's perfect for a side dish. Oh, so good. Now I'm going to sprinkle that fresh bacon on top. Oh, that bacon brings that amazing flavor and crunch to your baked potatoes. I'm going to top it with the bacon, and then I'm going to go in with some freshly chopped parsley. We're going to melt these a bit back into that oven for about 10 minutes or until it's fully melted. And there you go. If you decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chazs Cuisines Story. Let's taste test. And you know it is good, y'all. See y'all next time.